easy on the wheels. DJ Daytrader, check the fields. Market open, volume rising. Beat drops when the sun's arise. I read the crowd like I read these charts. Both got rhythm, both got hard cross faders, matching bid and ask. Making moves, that's all I ask. Futures dancing on the screen, cleanest mix you've ever seen. Tempo shifting with the flow when the numbers start to show. Feel that best line in your chest, that's the market at its best. Every trader needs to know how to ride this crazy show. Your way, that's how we roll. Analyze, plan, execute the soul. DJ Booth meets trading floor on easy, gives you so much more. Mix it up, blend it right. Futures market through the night. Your way, it's what we do. Making profit, dropping truth.
Cheese! Cheese! Mike was actually little Mike was Marquise, aka the DJ Daytrader, checking in. Appreciate you guys coming through. Back on the scene, if you know what I mean. Trying to get everything going and popping for you. Once again, we're gonna see. Good morning to you. See if we get the sweep of liquidity to the chop here. We'll take off half at like 82-ish maybe. Our entry's 76, so we're not trusting it to you know, do much. So sometimes it can get kind of choppy. So a lot of times we set our stuff break even and we get broke even on, and we don't mind that as much, but definitely would like to try to get more profits there. Oh, that's my phone. I was like, what is making that noise? Where's that noise coming from? Okay, now let's just put our stop down here. Let's see if we get into profit. We're not going to give it much room here. 68 stop here. Our entry's at 76, so 8 points. Wanted to actually hold the 73, but we'll give it a little room in case it wicks. We don't want to get wicked out on the trade, so we'll give it a little room, a little space there. We'll pop another one there because we took off one coming up on there. So let's see. If we do drop down, I think we might try and sweep this fair value gap on the bottom side. So we want to sweep liquidity, all these wicks up here, but we'll see. Looks like we kind of bullish, so, but I don't know. I don't trust moves, especially pre-market. The volume's kind of low, so just want to yeah, kind of push up there. We don't mind that, pushing up. We'll move our trails up as we go. Kind of hold our gains here, push it up. Just kind of push our stops up as we go. And if it pulls back and stops us out for profit, hey, can't be mad at that. Can't be mad at profit. So, but if we pop up, maybe we catch something on the top side. Looking for this area here. We'll just trail it super close. I don't want to like stop back up on me. So, we got it. We're out. We're out. We made a little bit there. So, gotta learn how to let these trades flow. But for now, we're just taking what we can get, especially pre-market with the volume not as let me see, do I have my open high low close from yesterday? We're looking we these lines are all like Fibonacci, so these are like the 1 hour fibs. These big lines like the 0 is all a 1 hour fib, and then we break down the 1 hours into quarters, and we take those quarters into halves. Kind of a little bit different approach to the market, but it seems to work. You see how these levels hold in. We also got the 5-minute fair value gaps automatically entered here. You can see how we hold this 5-minute fair value gap at 743. Then we created one here at 64, and we held that. Now we're shooting up. Maybe come through this fair value gap up here near the 100% retracement here at 806, and maybe at least take liquidity from this halfway mark at 89. You can see this halfway mark between these two fibs at 789 kind of held it down. So we kind of got that resistance here, 780. Oh, excuse me. Let me blow it up a little bit. 780. Why is it not sliding over? Why does it feel laggy? 789 here. Then we kind of had a downtrend, kind of boom here, and then we're kind of breaking out of it, holding, using this next fib as support, and yeah, mainly support resistance. I like to trade off the levels. Let's see where the price action happens. We did hold here, hold here, hold here. Chop broke down. Tested the fair value gap, held it. Now we're kind of moving in an uptrend. Trying to take a lot of the rocket scooter. You probably watch Day Trade with Matt, the rocket scooter approach, and definitely want to try that. And maybe try that system. It seems to be kind of like a similar approach. Like his approach to the market is definitely different, but it's the kind of same concept where you take a entry at a certain point, like get in at the right place at the right time, and just kind of, if you're wrong, you get right out, you minimize your risk, and then you just wait for your next level to for entry. So, but his reasons for getting in is definitely different from mine. If you look at these lines here, these are all like 5-minute. This is a 1-minute chart, but this is a 5-minute 9 and I believe 21 EMA. So although this marks off a 5, and the one here is like a 200. As you see, as soon as we break over the 200 again, this is a 5-minute now. These 5-minute EMAs are plotted on a 1-minute chart. I don't like to use the 1-minute EMAs. I'd rather wait for a pullback to a 5-minute EMA and then kind of go from there. So that's the kind of approach I use there. Is this even on yet? Is it 6 o'clock? It's 6:05 already. What's going on? 6:05. Let's see. This thing's there. Oh, okay. Check. All right, let's see what's going on today. Look like we want to hold. We haven't broke this area here, so maybe we'll just enter, see if we break the top, and set our stop right below here at like 73, 73. We'll just let it roll like that. Why doesn't my thing feel laggy? Is it my mouse? So stop market. Weird. I might have to recalibrate my mouse or something. It feels fast, but it feels slow. Feels fast, but it feels slow. If you know what I mean. Let me that's slower. That should be good. Let's see this stop here. If we come down and get stopped out, we're not mad at that trade. We're gonna watch this area here, so just watching these areas here. We don't want to get stopped out. We're kind of like an even high here, so I kind of don't want to. Let me oh wait. Sorry about that. Kind of weird. This thing acting up on me. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let me put some bass in it. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, let's put the sources on the side here. That would be... No. So weird. Why is it doing that? There we go. Now put your sources on the side. Push that there. That's good. Push this down a little bit so we can see more of the stream. Is that the least it goes? This is the farthest it goes? Dang. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday might be slow. No news. Wednesday. I don't know. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I know there's some news. But, I'll just push this down to like 72.50. It's because I got my line here. Line in the sand there. We might come down on it. Yeah, there it is. 73 test. It's going to take... we're going to add in one there just to get a better average. And if we get taken out, we get taken out. It's an even low there. We may come down and test this. Yeah, we got stopped out. A small stop out there, but I don't know if we're going to pull back. And let me look at this. It's another way to break down this chart here. 100%. Retesting the 5 now. Let's go to the top here. This is now we're pulling. Yeah. We're gonna try and enter here and then put our stop super close at 75 and see. Oh, there we go. Dang, right back up. Got some money back on that drop, but then now we're going right back up for some reason. Let me look at some of these. Yeah, popping back up off that popping right back off that 9. There we go. Let's see if we break over this 786. over 80. Yeah, we might go for the... Waiting. We're gonna wait and see. We probably want to come up here and test. She's all over 800 maybe. Not sure which way this wants to go. I got two breakdowns. These are like 1 hour fibs. This is just fibbing that one leg, the last leg down. So we're pulling back to the 786 now. So lower high here. We could just dive in here and then put the stop like super close, like at 80. What are we, 79? 82? Put it super close, super close. It's a right in, right out trade, we call it. Let's say 83. We'll put it 83. We break over 83, we're out. So we'll max contract there. Full port this one right here. And super small size risk here, so we might get stopped out, but if we do, super, like risk reward is big, so created another fair value gap, so we don't want to break above here. We're only risking about 3 points, 4 points, so we'll see. We just created this fair value gap, so I might be wrong here. We might continue back up here, so there you go. Buy stop market. Uh-oh. We get over 73, we're gonna get out real quick. I mean 83. Gonna watch it. 81s now. We drop down and take out this fair value gap. We'll trail the profit down. 83 will be out. Here coming up. Don't like it. Don't like it, but we're in it. So 81, 82s, tap in. I see 83 on the ask. I'm out. 82, 50. Hopefully we get a lower high and drop down here, but entries at 79, so super small risk. Let's just see if we take out this fair value gap on the bottom side, rather the top. 80s. Let's break below 80. No, 81. Finger on the trigger. Small risk, so not really tripping. It's an eval as well, so let's see if we take this trade. 81. It's kind of chopping here. See if we get below 79 here. Mm, 82 there. Waiting for this 1 minute candle to close. 82s. 80. Took me out there. Took me out. I'm out. We popping up now. Now we kind of want to hold this. I guess it's fair value gap. We're going to try and take it out. We'll try to take it back up. We'll check along here. I know we're kind of flip-flopping, but We'll see if we take out these levels here. Looking to take out this 89 area here. At least it's fair value gap at 87, so we'll wait for see if we pull back into this area here. We do not want to break here, so I'm gonna try one more time. Let's see what happens here. Let's go. Let's push up, push up, push up. Not much here. Kind of wanted to push up here. $17, still low volume pre-market. I don't even know why I'm trading this trash, but I think market withdrawals. So let's see if we come up here. When I look at shoot into this 89.90 area, I'm gonna trail right there. Trail it here. We got stopped out with some profit there, but I'm gonna wait till this market opens probably and just kind of chill out for now. We're watching this. See, now we're gonna sweep up. We should have been a little bit more patient here. I think we push up here. Let me see. There you go, top to the top. We gotta hold that. I don't know. You gotta wait here. We'll wait to see if we break above the top of this range, or we break back into the 786 and we sweep these fair value gaps that we created on the way up. So if we get over this 89, we'll look for it to test back up to 800. If not, we break below this 780. We'll look to take out all these fair value gaps on the bottom side here. Boom, 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 and sweep all this down back to the 740s or 750s. So we'll see. Okay, let's push this here and see what happens. See what happens. 10 minutes to market open. We're gonna chill. Couple of wins, couple of losses, but nothing major. So I'll just wait now. I'm gonna just wait on it. If you guys got any questions in the chat, let me know. Trading on Ninja Trader with My for the Futures and also funding ticks. So yeah, so. Okay, there we go. Back up. Testing the high of this range right here from 789 to 743. So about 46 points range here from the top to the bottom. Testing the top there. So might look for the 800, 805 area. Looking at my 1 hour chart on this side that you can't really see. So gonna do that as well. So just waiting for that to see what happens and kind of go from there. Kind of even high, so Who knows? We might range and just come right back down and test the bottom of the range. Might be one of those days. See, now we can touch the top, break through that fair value gap, back down. Sheesh. I don't know why I have like such a Wait for the candle to close. Here we go. There we go. Broke above it now. Close above. Okay. Fair value gap. We violated that down fair value gap, so we probably look for the 800 now. We'll probably look for these 800s or so, maybe 805-ish. 805 maybe. 803 I'm looking for-ish. I'm gonna go like that and add 10 here. Eight minutes to the let's see what's going on here. Let's see what happens here. Kind of want to hold this area here, but I don't know what we're gonna happen here. Should hold. Watching these areas here. Push it. Sorry about that. Here we go. We're coming back down now. I'm looking for it to rally up here, so pulling back here. I don't think we should break below the 786, but let's see. Entry at 91, we're pulling back. See if we pull back 10.81 maybe. Like to pull right back to this area. I don't want to pull all the way back to the 9. We should have waited for the pullback. We should have waited for the pest. Be a pest, pull back, entry, then stop, then target. I kind of jumped the gun there. Bought here instead of waiting for the pullback. What a butthead. Breaking my own rules. Sometimes I gotta wake up and remind myself what the heck I'm doing. Definitely not a perfect trader by all means. So we're gonna see if we get a pop up 5 minutes into the market. Sometimes there's a shot of liquidity that happens. So there's the bottom of it. Now we're gonna enter. Then see if we break down below 78. Let's see if we pop up here. They have 200 already. Let's see if we pull up here. I don't want to break below this 80. If we do, then yeah, we might sweep all this liquidity on the bottom. So let's see if we push up here. That was the freaking pullback there. Might get heavy and stop me out, but we'll take the loss. That's what I get for trading pre-market. We should have waited. There's the liquidity grab. So now 76. We re-tapped the freaking EMA. So creating fair value gaps on the downside. We should have waited for the pullback. Now we might test the 803 here for that freaking pullback. Should have waited for that pullback in the first place. Well, we'll see if we open here. I'm gonna open in 3 minutes. I don't know why I took that trade, but kind of a revenge trade here. Two and a half minutes still this push up here. Some liquidity pushing up to the top. And we took some profit there. I don't know. Wanted to take it before we open at the opening bell. We might double chop here, so I didn't want to hold nothing into the open. 2 minutes. We're gonna just chill, put our hands up, no trades into the open. So we'll see if we want to sweep all these fair value gaps on the downside. On the open, or if we're gonna push up into these 800s. We're at the 96, so let's see. About a minute left before the market opens, so let's get ready. Let's wake up. Let's see what happens here at the open. I don't know what happens here, honestly, so. Got about 45 seconds to the open, so we'll see what happens here. We might want to come down and take out all these fair value gaps on the bottom side, so kind of started off on a bad foot with my account here. My funding ticks, we're down on that on the day so far, but look like we might want to come down here. I think we might at this open, we might want to sweep these fair value gaps, I believe. So a lot of liquidity, a lot of freaking overshots, gonna overshoot levels at the open. So here we go. 1 second, and we'll open. There it goes, shooting to the top. Hit that 800 level there. Are we gonna just shoot past this 800 level? Yeah, 807. Here we go. Shooting straight up like a freaking rocket there. Rocket ship. And then right back down to that 812, 805. See all that liquidity. I'm gonna try and see if we can shoot this market down here. Kind of wanna follow this market. Kind of stay under 803 here. Come on, let's finish this 1 minute here. We got a little bit of money there, but I don't trust it. Let's see, this 803 level we gotta hold below. Kind of wicked under it, so I'm gonna just put it right here. I'm gonna stop at 805. 805 stop here. Come on, let's push down. And we take a little bit of profit there, 200. We'll trade small here. See if we stay under 90. Let's put 03 here. We'll make it stopped out here. Yeah, we'll make it. It got stopped out. Ha! Okay, we're gonna wait. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna see if we stay under this level here now. We're following it, trailing it here. There, we should have waited. Look at that move all the way down. Took about 175 on that drop there down. Should have waited a bit, but it's being a dumbass a little bit, so good on that trade. Took out this liquidity and this fair value gap, so now we might continue back up. So we'll see. We swept this fair value gap here, and then we might continue up. But we'll see. We'll see. Take a shot at it. Right. Watch that 95. We'll wait for this candle to close. We close under 95, then we might continue back down. Because we're kind of stair-stepping down here. We close above this 802, and we could shoot for the moon here. So, I'm going to watch it. See where it closes. 27 seconds. Wait for this 1 minute candle to close. And see what happens from there. Let's see. Nope, pushing up. I'm going to wait here. Here we go. 2 seconds, 1 second. Kind of closing under 03, but pushing above now. We're going to put our stop right above this level here. Push our profit here. We'll put our stop 808. 808 stop. We break over this 07 we just did. We could be shooting up now. See where this is going here. I'm gonna hold this level here. We gotta hold here. Take some money back there. Looking for maybe like 840s, maybe. What is this level here? Yeah, 840s maybe. This line is 822s. Dang. Got a fair value gap here. What is this? A 5-minute one? What fair value gaps do I have here? What do we want to do here? What fair value gaps do we have here? I don't even know. Sometimes I switch them up too many. 1 minute? These are 1 minutes? Dang, I got 1 minute on these ones. That's why there's so many of them. 1 minute fair value gap. Pull to that halfway. I'm gonna wait here. Let me see. Fair value gaps up here. We wicked here. We're just pushing now. There's no. Dang, freaking just going. To these 840s, we see 840 here. Kind of extending. There's like 50 points up from the 9, so we're extending off there. Our side's probably getting hot, getting cooked, so we're gonna wait and see. Up $100 on one account. Got 3 of my funded future accounts, so gonna wait now. Kind of missed our entry. Kind of misread that open, so thing just shooting. Jeez Louise. Open range. Friday high is 23,902. So this thing just running. No way to catch this thing. You just gotta let it go. 840. Kind of like that. 840-ish. Let's see. 840. Let's see if we I like 48 maybe. I'm gonna see if we can get some downward pull here. Dang it. Watching this area. Take a little moves there. Not really trying to get a whole bunch there. Don't really trust the short there. Just a quick scalp-a-roni, and then see what in. There's the low back pull back we wanted. Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna take this pullback here. See if we can find something here. Here we go, sweeping all these fair value gaps. Let's see. 382. 50. Watching this area here, see if we build below this 618. Here. So this 786 area here. $618 pull back here. Come on, push up here into this area. Oi. Definitely push up there. Push up here. Push this one up. Got 180 on that. Pop back up here. 618 retest. Now we're pushing back up. So we might push up high and break the high here on that 618 pullback. But we'll see. We'll see. I wanted to hold here 50%. I wanted to pull back a little bit into these areas. Let me switch up to, let's see. What was that? 95, 94, 94. Let's see if we hold this area here. We'll trail that real quick. All right, we took $40 on that trade right there. I kind of wanted to pull back. I didn't want to and hold this 80. Now we might create a lower high, because if we come here and we hold this level one below, we might stair step down. So I don't really want to take a long here, if that makes sense to you guys. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Now back down, so we hold 618. So now we want to hold at least 50%. Seems like we're holding this 382 at 817. So test that 817. Now we'll take long here. Which account was that? Up $56 on that trade right there. Now we might pop the top and start going crazy. So we're too close to the top. We gotta wait for the pullback. Remember, be a pest. Pullback, then get your entry, then set your stop. So you define your risk and then set your target. So be a pest. Always be a pest. Be an ape and then be a pest. Ape, analyze, plan, execute, then be a pest. Pullback, entry, stop, and then target. So there's a pullback. We held this 26 area. We'll see if we hold it. 26, nope. So we're not holding these areas. We stair step up. We hold areas. Take profit, done for the day. Man, a lot of people done for the day real quick. Now I'm gonna wait. I gotta trust my setup, especially off the open. Pretty accurate off the open. So now we're gonna sit here, put our stop right under here at 23 stop here. Then our take profits up here, somewhere up here. Definitely we're gonna see what happens here. See if we pop up. All right, here we go. Trailing it. Took another profit there. That was another $50-$60. So now I don't know if we double top or we break through. See, I'm gonna just put my stop right under here at 33. Break under 33, we're out. Kind of want to hold that 36. That's why I want to hold the 36. So we stood our stop at 33. Now we hold this. Let's see, we hold that area. Let's see. If we hit this and break below here, we could retrace back down, which we might do here. I'm not mad at it if it does. I think we're down a little bit on that trade now. Now, if we break below here, I'm gonna get short real quick, like real scalpy moves here. Double top here. See where we close. Let's see what happens here. 9 seconds. Candle close under 26. We'll take it short. We seem to be holding this area here, so don't want to do it yet. Nope. Kind of just even there. No, I don't know. We're kind of in a range here. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. I don't know. I'm just trading like everybody else. Kind of just consolidating right in this area. I don't know if it's for move up, move down. Just gotta wait and see. I don't know. Chop in here. So waiting for a move somewhere. We kind of pulled up a lot, so see if we want to go take out some of these fair value gaps on the downside. Who knows? Let's see. Looking kind of heavy here, but wait for the candle to close. 13 seconds. Still in this range here between the. Still in this range here, so I ain't doing nothing till it wants to get out of there. Let's see. $30 seconds. This 1 minute candle closing. Looking heavy though. Looking heavy, like it wants to retrace here, but I don't know. I don't trust it till the candle closes below that 26-ish area. There it goes. Might not give me a let's see, 9876 under 26 closing and 2-1, and we're in. Let's see. Let's see. We stay under 26 here. I'm gonna follow some. All right, our stop's gonna be like at 30. Ay. Want to stay under that area. Gonna add in there. Super close stop, and we got stopped out. Dang it. Chop, just chop. Let's see. Now I guess our stop would be above this area now. 38 now. Are we gonna go higher again? I don't think so. Let's see. We shouldn't push back up over 36 now. We do, then yeah, doesn't look good for a short now. We gotta close under 36 now. If not, could be in trouble here. Could be in trouble. Oh, we only got. I keep forgetting my funded futures. We only have like 30. Uh-oh. Yeah, let's get out of there. That was a pretty crazy move. Yeah. Gonna freaking come up now. Definitely want to pull up now. Let's see what we do here. Probably want to pull up here. And then we're going to wind up popping here at, what is this? 94. Let's hold it. Let's hold it for a run up. We're going to hold it. Whoa. What happened there? Okay, we're just getting chopped here. We're going to wait for it to move. Wait for a move here. There's the pop-up we were looking for. After we got stopped out, of course. That sounds about right. Should have waited for that moment. Let's see what happens here. Do 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 do. Might pull back too far for me, but oh well. Let's see. We should. Ay, ay, ay. All right, up $86 on that. Just watching these areas here, so. Let's see if we put. All right, 257 on that account right there on that push up, bounce off this retracement. So 319, 257. Now I don't know where to go. I don't know. Kind of extended. I don't want to take it long from this level to this level. Kind of just trading from level to level. This one to this one. This one to this one. See how we wicked off of that, and we just took it to this one. So up 257, 319 on the other one. We'll see. We'll wait for an entry for our third account and kind of go from there. Our funded ticks, we hit our limit down, so we don't want to trade down. We're just gonna wait for tomorrow already. So we got 3 my funded and 1 funded tick. So up on 2, waiting to trade 1, down on the 4th one. So just kind of sitting around here, trying to be 200-300 a day. I know it might take me long. Got a feeling like when I try and full port those evals, the full portness runs into the lives. So 250 a day, 300 is where I want to be on the lives. So if I start training myself to do that on the evals, I notice that I won't try and blast myself out. So I don't know. Now we gotta wait. Don't know what to do from here. We're gonna see what happens from here. So we'll just wait here. Gonna wait and see what happens here. Okay, we're gonna wait and see what happens here. See if we pull back to the 5-minute at 828. We didn't create any 5-minute fair value gaps. A lot of 1 minutes, but nothing with a 5-minute fair value gap. So here we go. See if we start pushing back here. Watching this almost 7 o'clock, so half hour into the market, up a couple 100. Nothing major, nothing like some of these other people who get those big days. I don't think I'm ready for it yet. So GG, you know what I mean? Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. See if we pull back. See if we pull back to the 9 at 825-ish, 820-ish. I'm going to pull back into that area. I don't know. Gonna watch this areas here. So back to streaming again. So here we go, pulling back into the 5-minute 9. So bouncing off this previous support at 840. So we'll see if we hold that 840. We just kind of consolidated right here, then we broke out. So this is a breakout area at about 840-ish. So we'll see if that holds. Not taking a trade, but all right, let's see. Where's my glasses? Let me put my glasses on. Hurting my eyes a little bit, so we'll see what happens here. Want to be done kind of early today. The stream, maybe do a DJ stream. Here it comes. Pull back to the 9 here. Might just, I don't know if we just kind of drop right through it or what. Let me check my other retracement levels here. So, yeesh, we'll put up to the 382. Kind of stair stepping one above. Oh, this might be a good trade actually to take. Yeah, this. What happened there? Did I take it? All right. Yeah, definitely my stops here. Dang it, missed that push up. Under 26, we're out. We got the stop set already, so we're gonna let it ride. 1 minute candle gonna close 24. We'll just push the stop there. We just take the profit there. Dang, see, we kind of held this one level, but now we might come back down. So I don't know. So if we go up here, let's see what's going on with everything. Check until all right. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. So far, trending up here. So we're just waiting now. Shoot. I don't know why my mic does that every single time. I don't know why it does it. Every single time it does that. Dumb. Gets very dumbness with it. I don't know why. Drifting. Let's see. I don't know why my mic is doing that again. It's only when I stream on YouTube for some strange reason it starts going crazy. Looks like we might take out the high. Now we're like one step lower here. You can see. Now if we hold below here, we might retrace down now. It's gonna be a lower high kicking in. We'll see how this 1 minute close. closed under. So sensitive, my mic. Might be creating a lower high here. We'll see. We'll wait for this. It closed under. We'll wait for the second candle to see if it closes under 863 as well. Close under 863 as well. A short might be forming here to retrace back into some of those lower areas. Oh, tired. Jeez. All right. We pushed above that area, so we might take out this high, recent high here. We could check it out. I don't know. Watching this area, so I don't know. Kind of quiet. I don't trust anything yet. See, we might close under again. We close under again. This thing could definitely retrace back down. So we close under 63 again, 863. We'll see how this 1 minute kind of just sitting on it again. No real indicator. See, now we're kind of see we push down. We could always just enter at 63 and put our stop at like 65, 68, and then which is no. Let's see. $60. Dang it. Too late. 54. It's already 10 points. Yeah, I don't know now. Too late. Could have entered under there. Let's see. Uh, 64 will be my stop. Gonna see if we come down here. Just gonna leave my stop there. If we break over 64, we're out. There you go. Oh, let's see. Dang it. Stop at break even. Push down. Give me a little push. Give me a little push. Alright, took a little bit off that trade. Don't really trust it. Not in today's market. See, we're back up. Kind of ranging in between these two retracement levels, 63 and 48. So, gonna wait now. Let's see what happens. We'll just wait. Gonna see what happens. I don't know why my mic keeps Only on YouTube, it always seems to kind of fizzle and be kind of crazy. So here we go. If you break below 48, this thing could retrace. We already tapped the 9 one time, so nah, bro. It actually 285, 380, 358 on the other account. Now we push back up and held above the 48. So trappy, tricky, trappy. Bounce off the 9 one more time. Look like we're kind of pushing down here. Trump is speaking. Ay, ay, ay. Why is he speaking for? I want to get out then. Someone said Trump is speaking, so I got my stop in, so maybe we can get a pop down in our direction. If not, we take a small loss. We'll still be in profit for the day. Let's see. $48. Gotta stand there 48 to close. $29 seconds. Let's see if we drop here. Took some profit there. Another like $50. 300 on the day on the second account. 358 on the other one. Now we're just gonna wait. Kind of even stair stepping up, stair stepping down, higher, lower, lower, high. So we kind of in a wedge now. Let's see what happens here. Look like we're pushing down. We might break below that 382 at 36 and head towards 23. About 13 point range, the next range down. L to L, line to line. Just kind of watching here. No trade yet. Best entry would have been the lower high at a 63. So if we pull back to 48, we could take an entry on the 48 at that line and then put our stop right above it. But it looks like we're breaking below 38 now. I mean 36. Could put our stop right above that last candle, and I think it will work. We may go down to 23, but too late. We don't got the pullback. Here comes a little pullback here. Maybe, I don't know. Gotta be a pest. Gotta wait for the pullback. Pullback entry, stop, target. I'm keep trying to remember the pullback because I always try to stop the impulse of. There's the 23 area. Now we might test the backside of the 9 here, and it's also 36. So double resistance here. Here we go, test of the 21 here. Took another $100 there, 402 on the day on that other account. So line to line, just being patient, waiting for the pullback. Take the entry, set my stop, look for my target at the next line. So target, trail, whatever you want to call the T in the pest theory. Be a pest. There we go. Next line at 11. We just tapped it. You see it? Yellow line. So that's a 618 pullback. So that might be a bounce, and we might continue up here. So we're bouncing off that 618. So we might start trending back up here. That might be the pullback. See if we pull back down into these areas, maybe. I don't know why when it comes to streaming on YouTube, my mic always messes up. So I'm gonna end on the day up 358 one account, 0 the other account, 166 we gave back some on our other my funded, 0 on the other my funded, and then stopped out on our funded ticks account. So we're not trading down today. So we're gonna end the stream right like that. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully I can iron out these kinks with the with my microphone. So we'll be back tomorrow, and more trades and all that good stuff. All right, till then, peace, love, have a good one. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.
Mark easy on the wheels, DJ Daytrader check the fields. Market open, volume rising, beat drops when the sun's arise. I read the crowd like I read these charts. Both got rhythm, both got hard cross faders, matching bid and ask, making moves, that's all I ask. Futures dancing on the screen, cleanest mix you've ever seen. Tempo shifting with the flow when the numbers start to show. Feel that best line in your chest, that's the market at its best. Every trader needs to know how to ride this crazy show. Your way, that's how we roll.